To do. You want me to show you the picture again?
Yes.
Okay, Sophia, tell me one story about Snow White. One story.
She jump.
Okay.
She took an apple.
Uh-huh.
She cried.
What about the bad lady? What? I can't hear you.
A bad lady said yes. No, bad lady. Someone said no. Yes, eat the apple.
Oh my God, what did Snow White do?
And the bad lady said, ha, 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 ha. Who did a pretty one?
What did Snow White say?
No, bad lady.
No, bad lady? I don't want the apple.
No, she left bad lady with a and then she cried
Uh-huh.
and went to the water and played with it.
And then what did the 7 dwarfs do?
Save her.
They saved her?
Yes.
7 little men?
Yes.
Right on. She happy about that? High five. Way to go, Snow White. Right?
Let me see.
Okay.